My geography case project is on labor and agriculture in developed nations. Global relationship and connectivities. Agribusiness. The definition of agribusiness is the business or industry of farming or agriculture, basically farming thought of as a large business. The parties involved. Researchers. Developed nations have a lot of GMOs. Definitely GMOs is genetically modified organism, and that requires researchers in order to make more sufficient crops. Consumers. They affect how much food are produced depending on their need for specific things. Last but not least are farmers. They develop the food that consumers eat. This map shows the employment percentage in agriculture in each country. As you can see, the developing countries have the highest percentage rather than the already developed countries, such as the United States and Canada. Historical information. About 40% of the lands in the USA is used for agriculture. This map shows the percentage of lands used for farming in each state. The conflict. Based on a report by USDA, the meaning of that is United States Department of Agriculture, the farmland in the USA decreased by 1 million acres since 2014. That's a loss of 18,000 farms. The impact of this all is that the decreasing amount of farmland caused the numbers of farmers to decrease as well. No land, no farm, no money, which all results in many people having no jobs. Here's a map showing an update of employment and agriculture based on the country. As you can see, farming is increasing in the other countries because the developed countries are depending on import goods. Some cause and effects. Cause. Fertilizer, manure, waste, etc. are very common in modern-day farming, but they result in nitrate, which reduces the amount of oxygen present in water, and the issue is that aquatic animals are dying because of this. Aquatic animals can become extinct, and the water food chain can be impacted as well. The second cause. The price of land and the technology required to sustain a farm are increasing. The machinery required to have a farm and operate a farm, the prices are rising. The effect of this is that fewer people are wanting to go into the farm business because of the price. Elderly people are more common to be in the farm business, and they are struggling to find people to replace them once they are gone. The chain will be broken. The issue of this is that with the amount of farmers in the United States, it's not enough for an increasing population, and we would have to depend on imports even more because of the need for food. Some disagreements. A New York Times article stated that technology is very much needed in farming today. If we use machines that didn't cause pollution, etc., how long would the food take to be produced? With the amount of citizens, we need machines to produce food fast in order to feed everyone. People eat every day, you know. The scale. Globally, United States depending on import goods can cause a country to be more wealthy because we're paying them for food. Local. Food prices increasing in a specific state because the government has to pay for taxes for imported food. Nationally. The need for farmers in the United States is increasing, and so some states and colleges decided to give benefits for those who are interested in becoming a farmer. This bar graph shows the increasing age in farmers as the years go by. As you can see, 1982 and 2012, the age increased by 8 years. This map here shows the increase and decrease of farms in specific states. The total number of farms in the United States in 2012 is 2,109,363. And here are just my citations. I hope you all enjoyed my geography case project. Bye!